Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to talk about the difference in between an iPad 2 and the new iPad, or the iPad 3 as some people call it. This is the older iPad, iPad 2. This is the new generation, the third generation iPad, which is iPad 3 or the new iPad. The first major difference is the display. So iPad 3 has a Retina display, so the text and the pictures and all the graphics are much more clear on an iPad 3 as compared to iPad 2. But you may not notice this particular difference until you move both of these iPads pretty much close to your eyes. Another difference is the camera. iPad 3 or the new iPad has got a 5 megapixel camera at the back, which records high definition video at 1080p with 30 frames per second, whereas the old generation or the second generation iPad has a 0.7 megapixel camera at the back, which does video recording but not too good as compared to the iPad 3. Let me just take a picture with both of these iPads using the camera, and then I will show you the difference. Ignore the Android Robo over here. We have taken a picture with the iPad 2. Now let's take the same picture with iPad 3. So if you have noticed, this is how the picture looks like on iPad 3, which we have taken with the camera, and this is how the almost same picture looks like on an iPad 2. You will only notice the difference when you zoom the image. As you zoom the image on iPad 2, you will see this pixel distortion, and if you take the same image on iPad 3 and if you zoom in, you will not see basically at a high level zoom you will see the pixelation, but the picture is still much more clear on the iPad 3. Other differences are iPad 3 comes with Bluetooth 4.0, Smart 4.0. However, the iPad 2 comes with Bluetooth 2.1 EDR. The power consumption is different for both of these devices. The iPad 2 has a less power consumption because of no Retina display. However, iPad 3 consumes more power because of the Retina display, because of the high resolution on the screen. The build of both the iPad is almost identical. There is a very little difference in the width of an iPad 2 and an iPad 3. Maybe I can just okay. And the iPad 3, because of the width and 4G, feels slightly heavier than the iPad 2. So iPad 3 is slightly heavier as compared to the iPad 2. Dimensions of both the iPad and the iPad 3, iPad 2 and the iPad 3 are similar. There is no difference in the overall display size. The display size remains same on the screen size, actually remains same on both the iPad and the iPad 2. iPad 2 have the 3G capability, it doesn't support 4G, whereas the iPad 3 has the 4G support as well as a backward compatibility support for 3G as well as Edge. iPad 2 has a processor that is called A5 processor from Apple. iPad 3 has a processor called A5X processor from Apple, which is pretty much faster than the iPad 2 processor. iPad 2 has a 1 GHz processor, whereas the A5X processor, which is on iPad 3, is slightly enhanced and improved version with the dual core processor, which was earlier on iPad 2. So the difference in between the weight is like iPad 2 is around 1.44 pounds, whereas iPad 3 is around 1.46 pounds. So there is a very little difference in the weight if we compare on both the iPads. So the battery life should be improved actually on iPad 3. We haven't tested the battery life till now on iPad 3, but the iPad 2 has a 25 watt lithium polymer ion battery, which gives you a backup of around 10 hours, whereas the iPad 2 has a 42.5 watt lithium polymer ion battery, which gives you a backup of around again 10 hours. These are all the differences which we have noticed in between an iPad 2 and the iPad 3. We hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.